What's going on, Trading 212 Growth Chasers? It's a Dividend Bloodhound here with another investing episode. In today's episode, it's time to talk about my monthly Trading 212 portfolio update, where I'm going to bring you the comings and goings of my Trading 212 portfolio, my buys, my sells, and what has grown the most this month. Hopefully bringing you completely up to speed with what's happened this month in my portfolio. That being said, if this video does bring you some value, it'd be fantastic if you could hit the like button. That helps me and the channel out massively. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you're brand new here, it'd be absolutely fantastic if you could, and also hit that notification bell as well. That being said, I'll see you on the flip side of the intro. Catch you there. Hey again guys, welcome to my Trading 212 portfolio update. There has been some comings and goings in the portfolio this week. I've had my usual monthly £100 deposit come in and get auto invested into my growth pie, which I will show you shortly when we get into the app. And then I also sold a stock because I believe this stock has grown as far as it can go, and that money would be better invested elsewhere. And that stock was Royal Caribbean Cruises. I was 81% up on this position for 2.35 shares. I bought it mid-pandemic as a speculative buy, and it has gone up £56 in that time scale, or 80%, but then it has sort of topped out. And with recent news that there's a no sale order in place against all cruises at the moment due to the pandemic, and that might potentially enhance into 2021, meaning there won't be too much revenue coming in for Royal Caribbean until then, I thought it's absolutely time to cash in my profits and move that money on elsewhere. Other significant happenings in the portfolio is my Hyliion position has de-SPAC now, and the stock has actually tanked since then, since its CEO rung the bell on the stock exchange not so long ago. But in my portfolio, I'm still 42% up on this position, and I actually added another share as well with the profits from my Royal Caribbean position. Also, if you watched my last episode and my last update, I did actually decide to add MasterCard to my pie, and that has now makes up 1/12 of my selection. And the reasons for this are absolutely obvious. The fundamentals and the growth of this company and the dividend growth are absolutely fantastic. It fits exactly what I am looking to do, and there is a war on cash in society at the moment, and we're only getting more and more involved in a cashless society where card payments and credit facilitation and money facilitation are becoming ever more prevalent. So this suits exactly what I'm looking to do. With the profits of my Royal Caribbean position sale, I've already said I bought one extra share in Hyliion. I also bought an extra share in FMCI, or Tattooed Chef. Really bullish on this company at the moment. Do see my videos on that one because I do explain in quite some detail why I think this company is absolutely fantastic and due to see some serious share price appreciation in the coming months. And then I also bought an extra share in Spartan Energy and its SPAC with Fisker, and they recently announced that their merger date will be coming up at the end of October, so I expect to see some share price growth coming in that as well. It also leaves me £56 in reserve to carry on buying should anything take a dip more than average, and so I can really take advantage of the situation with that spare £56. I am potentially looking to offload my Altria and Airbus positions and redirect that money at the earliest opportunity into better growth companies. There are some poorer investments in there, and some of them are significantly down, so I'm going to have to wait it out for them ones until I'm not making such a loss in them. Or potentially I could just sell them, lump it, and try and make that money back by investing it in a high growth company. The jury is still out on that one. I've not fully decided. The one that will stay around longest is Airbus, because that is in profit, and I still see them making significant revenue in the future because they're a defence company, not just a plane manufacturer. But All this being said, I think it would be better illustrated if I take it into the app and we have a proper in-depth look at what my portfolio is doing. Catch you in there. Hey guys, welcome into the Trading 212 portfolio update in the app. Obviously here you can see I have a portfolio value of £1,733, currently down £19 or 1%, and then you can see my free funds there sit at £56.95p. Firstly, we'll take a quick look at the FANG Plus Pi, which is currently sitting £21.96 up, 3.7% for £588 invested. I'm on track towards my goal, and then you can quickly see how these are doing at the moment. So Microsoft is down 1%, Apple down 4%, Tesla sitting about where it was, Alphabet down 4.7%, Amazon up 1%, Facebook sat where it was. There you can see MasterCard now fully added to my pie and to the value of £48 and 1% up. Shopify is up 4%, Salesforce still doing particularly well, up 19%, along with Nvidia up 22%, and then Adobe bringing in at 5%, £48, and Netflix up 6% at £48 also. I'm on track towards my goal of £1 million by 15 years time, but as already mentioned, I will have to update and rebalance as required. Now if we hop back over to the investment side of things, you'll have to ignore the pie positions that are in there as well. So first up we have Airbus, currently sitting 10% up or £11 up. Got Altria, which is 12% down or £17 down, looking to potentially offload both of these. Definitely Altria first, because I think Airbus still has got some growth in it. Got Alfria, the cannabis company, 10% up, £4.58 up, which is pretty healthy and a good return so far. Babcock, a serial bad performer in my portfolio at the moment, 32% down or £13, potential for being offloaded. I do hope that I can recoup some of that value before I do. Blink Charging, the 4 shares in that one up a whopping 40%. How I wish I'd bought a little bit more in this one, but still happy to have made £9 on it. British Land Company, 11 shares, down 32% as well, mainly due to the pandemic and being a dividend paying stock, a remnant from when this portfolio was a dividend portfolio. Dutch Lufthansa airline, we all know how this ends up. They're currently 45% down, £11. Again, I could easily offload this one as well. I think it was actually bought with free share money, so it wouldn't be like it's my money that's lost. I'm considering adding that to some high growth companies. We have Forum Merger 2 next, which is another name for FMCI and Tattooed Chef, currently sitting 31% up on that one for an average price of $16 or £12 a share. Bought another one, as I said just before we got into the app. Really bullish on Tattooed Chef, the company. Hyliion is next. Anybody that will have watched my other portfolio reviews will have seen just how high I was up on Hyliion. Maybe I should have been a little bit more decisive. I was over 100% up at the $55 mark. However, I did buy myself an extra share, so I'm now sitting on 6 shares. I'm still 35% up and £37, and I'm long on Hyliion as well. I do believe in the long term of this company, but I'm starting to think maybe I should have been a bit bolder and sold out, and then sold out at this point and rebought in at 30, and then I would have been able to cash my profits. But never mind, you live and learn. Next we have Invesco EQQQ. That always sits nice and pretty, currently £11 up. Really strong ETF, that one, something that I will never ever get rid of. Same with Momentum Stocks Europe, MSCI, and Momentum Stocks World, MSCI World. These are 2 companies that ETFs that have got very good, consistently dividend growing companies in, and growth companies. To get into these ETFs portfolio, companies have to have gone through years and years of consecutive growth. So these are particularly good portfolios that I will be keeping for the long term. And we have Occidental Petroleum, probably the worst investment I ever made, down 72% of £65, obviously being compounded by the oil crisis in the world at the moment. Again, I'm considering just cutting my losses on this one, offloading it and getting that £25 into a company that's got the chance to start earning me some of that money back. There we go, there's me admitting that I obviously made a big error with Occidental Petroleum. Then we've got my Spartan Energy position there, 3 shares, expecting some growth out of this company in the near future with the merger date now announced, but does need obviously voting through. £4.50 down, or 12% at the moment. And then right at the very bottom here we have the TUI, which is £9 down, obviously because of the travel at the moment, or 21% down. This will be one for the long term as travel recovers. I may consider offloading this one as well. And then we have Virgin Galactic right here at the bottom, 0.4% down. Received a buy upgrade this month from Goldman Sachs, all the way up to $35 a share, and it has actually started heading off to that way, to be fair. Since September it is now up from 15 to 22, and I'm almost at break even point on this company at the moment. So that wraps up my portfolio review right there. I'll see you back outside in the real world. See you there. Hey again everyone, welcome back to the real world. So that brings to an end my Trading 212 portfolio update there. As you can see, I cashed out of my Royal Caribbean position, used that money to buy into some more SPACs and some high growth companies. I've got £56 in reserve, ready to go into either Hyliion, Tattooed Chef, into the pie. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should do with that spare £56, and hopefully I'll be able to see you in either next month's Trading 212 portfolio update or in a stock review video before then. If you haven't already liked the video, it'd be absolutely fantastic if you could. That really helps out the channel massively. If you haven't subscribed, I really appreciate it if you could, and even tick that notification bell as well if you're feeling even super kind. And I will hopefully see you in the next investing episode or beyond. See you later.